Disney's Port Orleans Riverside is one of the most beautiful resorts here at Walt Disneyland, if not one of the most beautiful resorts I have ever been to. Today we're going to take a look at the Magnolia building and take a room tour and see what the rooms are like. So this is a 2-queen bedroom. As you can see, the decorations are elevated from the value resorts. You're definitely going to find a bit more luxury here. They have done a lot of retheming with princesses in all of the hotels. Here is Tiana in this one. So the hotel rooms do seem to be getting a bit more of a Disney touch to them. So bathtub, which I know a lot of people prefer to have those bathtub double sinks, which is so nice when you're getting ready in the morning. Everything is just so nice looking. The decor, the decorations, just everything feels really nice and elevated. Now, there's no microwave in this room, but there is kind of a bigger size refrigerator. Set of drawers, there's hangers, there's a spot to sit down. Just really a very nice hotel room. And of course, a Mickey towel, come on. So let's take a look around the resort in case you have not been to the Port Orleans Riverside before. Just see what kind of the amenities are here. So here's a lounge. They do have a musical performance. It's Wednesdays through Saturdays, 8:30 to midnight. Boat Wrights is their sit-down dining restaurant. You can take a look at their menu online, but they also do have a full quick service with lots of choices right next door. So this is really nice. It's all centrally located right within the lobby. There's also a store, an arcade, and then right outside is where you're going to get on the boat if you want to go over to French Quarter or to Disney Springs. The quick serve options here are endless. They have several different stations that you can choose from and a dessert area. There's just a lot of different food choices. There's a full beverage section, lots of seating, and they're open usually, I think, until 11 p.m. At least they were on this day. So this is definitely my favorite part of being at Riverside. When you step outside, you forget that you are at Disney World. You forget about the massive crowds, the standing in lines, the hot temperatures. You forget about all of that. The beauty of this resort is going to make you feel so relaxed, and the just serenity, and you are going to forget that you are at a busy theme park resort, and you are going to enjoy walking around and seeing the sights all around this resort. Also in this promenade area, there is a horse-drawn carriage that you can also pay to ride on. I believe last time I checked it was around $85 for a half an hour for 4 people. So you kind of just ride around. Also in this building across, there are rentals for fishing boats, and also the Surry bikes. So there's a lot of extra activities that you can do here also. Around the side by the main pool, there is also a fishing hole. There's a building that you can go and rent fishing gear from, and a nice patio where you can fish off of. There's so many activities here as well. There's also a painting and mosaic class for you crafty friends out there that would like to take advantage of that. So make sure to inquire about when those are going on and get your reservations made, because that is definitely something that I want to do. Each day they usually have some arts and crafts by the pool, different other poolside activities, and Disney just does such a nice job of having activities for all ages throughout the day. So make sure to plan some time in your Disney vacation to actually spend some time at the resorts. If you continue on this path to the right, you will end up at the French Quarter, which you can buy beignets and also take a look around that resort as well. The building to the right is also the Magnolia Building, which we saw the room tour of earlier. here is the other pool, which is actually right behind the Magnolia building. Now, this pool doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the other pool, which is just feet away from where we are now, but this is more of a nice, relaxing pool, lots of chairs. So what do you think? Have you stayed at Port Orleans Riverside before? If you have, let me know in the comments your experience there. And if you would like to stay at Disney Riverside or any Disney resorts for that matter, make sure to send me some messages because I can help you get that vacation planned and give you all of my tips and tricks for how to have the best vacation ever. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching and make sure to hit that like and subscribe. See you in the next one.